friends. Welcome to this week's Tuesday tip. At long last, it's autumn, and I'm taking a break between setting in my mums and harvesting my winter squash to remind you of my favorite fall videos on this channel. Hey, I'm Lorna, University of Missouri Extension Master Gardener. Let's get started.
The first video I'll recap is Colorful Fall Gardens, which shows how to perk up your late season garden with 4 fall favorites: chrysanthemums, ornamental kale, ornamental peppers, and asters. Are you thinking about planting some crops that'll do well through fall and maybe even through winter? Our video on warm season versus cool season crops gives you the lowdown on what to plant this time of year to keep your garden thriving and producing right on into the cold season.
Punt Those Pesky Pests shows how to move summering houseplants back indoors using integrated pest management techniques. Monitor for pests, use mechanical controls first, and apply chemicals only if needed and according to the label instructions.
And what should you do with all those leaves? It's actually great for many beneficial insects to just leave them, because those insects overwinter in the fallen leaves. But if you choose not to just leave them, this video outlines the benefits of mulching the leaves with a lawnmower rather than raking and bagging them. Adding the organic matter to your lawn or garden improves its overall health and still provides some winter insulation for ground nesting beneficials like the bumblebees. How to Clean Up Your Garden in the Fall offers advice on how to clean your fall garden to benefit your future plants and any living insects that help your garden continue to thrive. If you're thinking of doing a soil test, fall is a great time. We have 2 soil testing videos that explain the essentials of soil testing and the steps to perform the process, along with examples of how to read the results.
Don't forget to explore the playlist for Tuesday Tip videos packed with research-based garden tips. And while you're at it, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for a topic you'd like to see in an upcoming Tuesday Tip.
If you didn't catch all the titles as they appeared during the video, well, they're all linked in the Show More section below. Until next time, I'll see you in the garden.